At Global Compressor, we offer various OEM and aftermarket parts as well as services to repair the existing components in the compressor. We also work as a team to work on pricing and the best customer service.
The biggest things that we work on here would be valves and packing cases. We do a lot of cylinder work. We do some frame work. Most of the time it's mostly cylinders, valves, packing cases. That's what we do pretty much every day.
Here at Global Compressor, we offer 24/7 service to many of our major manufacturers. Those manufacturers include Worthington Joy, Ingersoll Rand, Ajax, White Superior, Knox, Western, JA Compressors, Chicago Pneumatic, Gardner Denver, Knight Industries, Clark, Gemini, and Cooper. And our largest one is Ariel, and many more. We also are distributors for Siemens Dresser-Rand and GE Oil and Gas.
Thing about our department is what we try to show our customers is how well we pay attention when we're pulling parts. We measure from gaskets to O-rings, making sure they're the right size, also making sure the right parts are being pulled, double checking ourselves, going back and checking to make sure this is what the customer wants. The good thing about us is we question a lot of things if it doesn't seem right. We try to make sure that the customer's getting what they need. And I think that's one of our main goals is we don't just send anything out. We try to make sure that the customer gets what they want and what's expected. So.
Here at Global Compressor, we are very dedicated to make sure we provide the best competitive pricing for every item that we supply to our customers.
Global Compressor is a wonderful place to work. I'm an older fellow who's had a few opportunities. Working here, it's family. They treat each other with mutual respect and admiration. Our customers enjoy us because we show them that same type. We respect them tremendously.